Hello everyone and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs Home Tech. Today we have another unboxing. Well, actually it's a package. It's this baby here. And before I start talking about the unpacking and the unboxing, I'll tell you what went wrong. So this was sent to me about 5-6 weeks ago. It ended up in Canada and then from Canada came to me. That's what it says on there. Missent to Canada. So that's what went wrong to start with. So with that, what you get in the pack, and they do two types. They do a Velcro one and a zipper one. This is the Velcro version, and basically you get 3 meters of Velcro or tubing. You also get a Velcro little tie, which is on a little reel, so you just reel it off, and you get some clips. You get 4 of them clips, and they have double-sided tape on one end, so you can stick it to anything like your table or anything like that, and clamp it all together to make it nice and tight. So that is the package that we're doing, but they also do a 4-pack and you get some extra bits. They do the zipper pack, so it's actually a zip. This is the Velcro version, and not only that, it does it in 2 colours. You can have white or the black, so it's reversible. And if you want to extend it, you just buy another set and you can just Velcro the other end to it to make it even longer. So like I said, this is 3 meter version, so it should be long enough for what I want it for, and that's to do this room in here. But if I like it enough, I'll probably get another one, order it myself, and do the living room, because we have a lot of cables behind the TV, and it'd be nice to tidy them all up and make them look really nice and tidy, and put them in a nice bit of sleeving. So with that, I'll shut up and we'll open up the package. Right, let's see what you get. So you get a nice little welcome card, cable management sleeve, just tells you a bit about it. Shows a couple of places where you can buy it from, Amazon, eBay. Like I said, I'll stick a link in the video description in case you want to buy it. It says here, for any issue, feel free to email us, support@YOUMILE home.com. So that's what that says. Nice little card there. So let's get this out. So it's got a nice little their name on the front, or on the part of it. So it's YOUMILE Home. So this is the actual sleeve. So it works on Velcro, and it's 3 meters long. So we'll have a look at that in a second. So you get 4 clips. So you get 4 clips, and these clips, I'll show you how they work. Basically, you push it down like that, so that's locked in place. It's double-sided tape, so you just stick it wherever you want to stick it, and that'll stop that moving. So that goes around that. And then if you want to release it at any time, job done. So that's to hold it in place where you've want it. And what else? And you've got some more different types. These are different types of ones. Again, these work on Velcro, and you can cut these to what any length you like. And I quite like that. It says YOUMILE on the side, so every now and again it's going to have their name on it. Let's have a look. Yeah, YOUMILE Home, see? So as you undo it, it'll be further along, I would have thought. So that's okay. So that's just Velcro. That's pretty cool. And then this baby here. So this is going to be quite long. This is 3 meters, so you're probably going to have to cut it to length, or maybe not if you've got really long cabling. And basically what you do is just roll it out. Woohoo! That is quite long. And the way this works, it's Velcro. So you put your cable down the middle. There's a bit of fluff there. Put your cable down the middle, you fold it over, and you just Velcro it. And that will keep your cables nice and tidy. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to quickly show you how it works. So I've got a little cable here. This is probably about 1.5 to 2 meters long. So you pop it in, you push it down. And what we do is just, because I'm going to put quite a lot of cables in this thing. I'm actually going to use it, believe it or not. I think it smells quite nice actually. So there you go. So that's basically how it works. And then the thing I like about this is because it's Velcroed, if you need to put more cable in, and it's getting a bit tight in there, but you need to open it up. You just Velcro open, close, open, close, open, and then you can add some more in it. And not only that, if you cut it too short or you need to extend it, you can just Velcro it on the end and just continue, just order another one. So my first impressions, I think it's very nice, and what I'm going to do now is to test it out properly. I'm going to actually pull out my desk, my computer, and I'm going to use some of this to tidy up some of my cables, make them look prettier. So with that, let's get on with it. Right, so I finally finished it, and what do you think? I think it looks pretty good. In fact, I'm thinking about getting some more because there's another cable down there, or some cables down one side I could cover up, make them look nice, and over the other side there's some cables I could do. But I used all that material, so I could do with a little bit more, and also anything left over I could use in my living room for behind my TV, because that is a pile of mess behind there as well. So I'm very pleased with it. I'm quite chuffed. It was easy to do. I missed out one cable, so I had to undo the Velcro stuff again, put it back in and do it back up, which was really easy. So I'm very pleased with it. So with that, if you like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down, and please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.